Nature truly is a spectacle, isn't it? If I had 1 month to live, I would do this. I would go out into the woods as far as possible from society and live out my days in the woods, away from the prying eyes of anyone else. Why would I do it? Well, if you haven't noticed, the world is in a tough spot right now, and there's nowhere else to go but down, so why not go down? It's a beautiful day, don't you think? Here, let me show you. Look, this is the marsh. I used to come by here all the time during summer, but sadly it's a little bit flooded since no one really has been taking care of it. I come by here and sit here every day, hoping to find someone else waiting for me. But alas, I never do find anyone. I used to sit at this tree log every single day. I used to sit right here and read stories from my journal. It was a good time. It was a good time. You know, Mense used to join me, but he, she went on to other things. Which is why I've devoted myself to this. If I had 1 month to live, I would spend it in the marsh, by myself, in peace and tranquility.